standing in the same place that we were at last week, and it doesn't look like a lot has changed. What has primarily been taking place are trade inspections, and we have also got a whole bunch of splicing done by the electrician, so all of that stuff is ready to go. The team has also been outside in this frigid cold getting some forming work done outside so that we can get the new garage walls framed as well as the new concrete stairs. There's really not a lot to look at from a video perspective this week because it's all behind poly and plywood and it won't really look like much. So I'm not going to show you that this week. We were hoping to pour concrete this week. I've made the decision to not pour concrete because I do not want to take any chances with it freezing. So temperatures are looking better next week. So we're going to go ahead and reschedule the concrete pour for next week. Other than that, we are cooking with fire here. One interesting thing that is no matter what you're doing or who you're doing it with or whatever else, there's always going to be things that come up that are unexpected. And this bulkhead, when we were doing the original design for this project, we had assumed / hoped that we would be able to remove this bulkhead. Well, it turns out the way that this home was built and the way that it was framed, we've got trusses. I mean, it's not a full truss, but I mean, it's still a truss landing on here. And this is actually a beam that's spanning from here to here. So now we're working with the engineer and the client and our designer to figure out what we're gonna do here. You can kind of see, what the design roughly is supposed to be. There's supposed to be a chimney hood fan here. So that's what we're trying to get. Just ain't gonna work like that. So these are problems that come up all the time. And so now we just got to figure out what makes sense and come up with a solution, which we will figure out by the end of the week. So that is our update for this week. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about what we're doing, why we're doing it, or anything like that, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can find us on the web at www.sprucehill.ca, or you can comment below and somebody from our team will get back to you. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.